Now we are going to learn about the sounds of all the alphabet. This is letter A. A says A as in apple, ant, arrow. This is letter B. B says B. B as in ball, bat, bed. This is letter C. C says K. K as in cat, car, cap. This is letter D. D says D. D as in doll, deer, den. This is letter E. E says Eh. Eh as in elephant, egg, empty. This is letter F. F says F as in fish, fan, fox. This is letter G. G says G. G as in gate, grass, grapes. This is letter H. H says H. H as in hen, hat, hop. This is letter I. I says I. I as in ink, igloo, insect. This is letter J. J says J. J as in jacket, jug, jump. This is letter K. K says K. K as in kite, king, kit. This is letter L. L says L. L as in lamp, lemon, letter. This is letter M. M says M. M as in moon, mango, mother. This is letter N. N says N. N as in nest, nose, nap. This is letter O. O says O. O as in orange, octopus, ostrich. This is letter P. P says P. P as in parrot, peacock, pen. This is letter Q. Q says Qu. Qu as in quilt, queen, quack. This is letter R. R says R. R as in rose, red, rainbow. This is letter S. S says S. S as in snake, slide, slippers. This is letter T. T says T. T as in top, 10, truck. This is letter U. U says A. A as in umbrella, under, up. This is letter V. V says V. V as in van, vest, violet. This is letter W. W says W. W as in watch, wall. water. This is letter X. X says X. It is mostly used in the middle or in the end of the words. So its ending sound is X. X says X, X, as in box, mix. 6. This is letter Y. Y says J. J as in yellow, yawn, yolk. This is letter Z. Z says Z. Z as in zebra, zip, zoo. Thank you.